so much for coming and joining my celebration of my birthday. Thank you so much. Let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable in thy sight here tonight. Let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable in thy sight here tonight. By the rivers of Babylon, there is a town. Yeah, we wait when we remembered Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there is a town. Yeah, we wait when we remembered Zion. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Thank you so much. Winter Sprinkler CC, CNN LF, thank you. Lolo Arnel and GCLY on USA. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we went when we remembered Zion. Yay! That's all for now. Our memory song for my senior's birthday. Yes. Giga Horcas, happy birthday, sis Norminda. More good health and whitey success. Take care and God bless. Hi, thank you so much, Giga Horses. Let me visit you, Giga Horses. Who is Giga Horses? Let me visit you, my friend. Who you? Yeah, very strong. Very noisy. Giga Horcas. Let me see here, Giga Horcas. Ikaw pala yan, ano? Ikaw pala yan, Senyora. Giga Horcas, Henrietta. Thank you so much, Sisi. Senyorita Henrietta. Thank you so much sa iyo pong muling pagdalaw sa akin. Marami pong salamat. May live ka din? May live din min ko. Oh, okay, sige, pasyalan kita. Pasyalan ko ang Henrietta. Pasyalan kita, makaka-live mo pa lang, ka-start mo pa lang. Happy birthday. Oh, salamat, Lolo Armil. Salamat sa iyong greetings. Salamat sa inyong mga greetings dyan. Maraming salamat. At tayo po ay lubos na pinagpala sa edad na 60 anyos. Lubos na pinagpala ang sa 60 anyos ng kaibigan. Hello po Kuya Dan at Lolo Armel, Kuya Fish and Dave. Yan, pinag-isa na yan ni Joyce. Gusto mong awitin ko yung Top of the World? Sige, kantahin ko. There is a requested song pala. Hindi ko napansin. May requested song, Top of the World. Okay. We'll find that Top of the World. Top of the World. Karaoke. Yung ano yan kanta ito niya kanta ni sino ba yung kumanta nito, Joe? Karen Carpenters. Okay, kita ko na. Ito ay ang kanyang awit. Meron palang request. Okay, good for request. Thank you very much for your request. Top of the World.